How to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later. Hey everyone, if you're facing this issue on Telegram, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix it. But before we do that, we need to know why this is happening. So if you try to request too many codes in a short period of time, Telegram will pop out this error and you won't be able to log into your account within 24 hours for the next 24 hours usually. But in some cases, you should be able to bypass the time limit and then simply log into your account. Try to log in again and enter your number, see if that gives you the code. But if it doesn't, then go to Play Store, search for Telegram, and just make sure that the app is up to date. Because sometimes if you don't have an up to date app, it might cause the trouble like that. So if you see an update button here, make sure to update the app. And after doing so, you could also check if the Telegram servers are down. So head over to your web browser and then simply search for down detector, and then tap on the search bar to simply search for Telegram. And if there are any reported outages in Telegram, you should be able to see it. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for Telegram. You'll see a small graph to show you guys the outage. So there is no problem with Telegram right now. You can just go back now and then restart your device. Try to reinstall Telegram as well, delete it, and then reinstall it. So doing all of that should work. If not, then you'll just have to wait for 24 hours and then they will give you another code. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.